Okay, so I am tinkering around with Vue here, Vue3 specifically, and it's kind of cool. It's kind of interesting. I've created a project planner app that's running locally on my computer here, and it's got sorting buttons. It's got some navigations to add a new product. So basically, I'm utilizing some CRUD or create, edit, update, and delete functionality. And these are just some little projects that have description. I'm using some Greek text here. There's some icons for editing. I can edit, I can delete, and I can toggle on whether a project is complete or not. All right, so it turns green or it goes back to red. So these are all viewing all. These are all completed. And then I can sort by those that are still open, which would be here. Okay, so for example, let's see, we'll just kind of stripe these out in here. So we'll say that's completed, and we'll say this one's completed. All right, so now we can sort these. And so if I say completed here, it's only going to show the ones that have been completed. All right, the icon turns green, the left bar here, left margin or border turns green, and then those that are open display here like that. All right, so let me see. Let's add one. So I'm going to go to add a new project. Click on that, and then it loads the page here. And so, for example, I'm going to add a project which is let's see, create a placard, marketing placard. Okay, and so I can just say for a pop up shop client. Okay, and then I'm going to click add, and what that'll do is it'll take me, and there it is. So we had 4 before, now we've got 5, and notice it's marked as, it's denoted as not complete here. All right, and so I'm running a dependency here, which is called JSON server, and I've loaded it and I'm watching it locally, and it's just a file that's in my my code base here under data. So db.json is here, and this is the JSON page here. So these are projects that actually updated it in real time. So this is create marketing placard right here, and it's given an ID of 5 automatically. So it's iteratively giving new JSON nodes that are added new identifiers. So for example, I can go and I will add another one, add a project, and we'll say, I don't know, we'll just say I will delete this one. Okay, so, and I'll just have just some gobbledygook there and hit enter. Okay, so this it's appeared here, and now it's also appeared here in the my JSON file here programmatically, automatically. And so notice that this is existing here. It's number 6, and when I click the delete icon, boom, it disappears, and it also updates the JSON file in real time. I think that's pretty neat for development, versus actually, if you're offline or if you don't want to continue, use a lot of bandwidth going back and forth hitting an API. I think that this JSON server is pretty neat as a dependency for Vue JS. And again, I am running Vue version 3 0.8, 0.3, and I've got a router going on as well. So that's what's doing the navigation. So let's see here. Let's edit one of these. So let's say I did create this marketing placard. So I'm going to click Edit button here. Alright, so if you notice in the JSON file here, this the create marketing placard here has a complete node that is equal to a Boolean value equal to false. So I can go ahead and that's why this toggle button is not checked. Okay, so if we go back to projects and I click on one that is checked, that is completed, there it is. The status is complete. So we can go back to the marketing placard and we're going to click Edit, and I'll just say create a marketing placard for client store, like that. All right, and then I'll just say for pop-up client by tomorrow, just for example. So, and I'm going to say status is complete. I'm going to click Edit, and voila. Alright, it's updating it in real time. So you can see here now this complete is true, and you can see the changes I've made are showing up here by tomorrow and for client store. Alright, and I can toggle this back, right? Like so. Alright, so this is kind of how this is working. So again, completed, open, or view all. Alright, and I think it's pretty neat. I'm using Vue model for the form functionality, which is binding the data in real time, and it's updating in real time. And go back to Edit, and it would be the same thing here for design event banner. Alright, so when I make changes in any of these fields here and click Edit, the Vue model is making sure that information is being synced in real time. So again, I think this is pretty neat. Just a short case study on VueJs and version 3, and thanks for watching.